Fellow singer Adele was set to perform the first of the many shows of her Las Vegas residency, titled Weekends with Adele, on the 21st of January. But she has to reschedule her show at the last minute. So, to console her diehard fans who had taken their time to come to the show and apologize for the last-minute cancellation. Several Adele fans had gathered at the Coliseum at Caesar's Palace, the location where her first show should have happened. These fans were lucky. At least they got to see the singer through FaceTime when she made calls to apologize to her fans personally for the postponement. The news of rescheduling came out just a day before the actual date of the show. So, thoughtful Adele FaceTimed the fans gathered at the casino.